What's up, YouTube?
What's up, guys?
Yeah,
What's up, guys?
it's another application review.
Today's video, we're gonna be talking about Exness.
Exness,
As a platform.
Yeah,
Yes,
we've
yes.
covered like we said at the start, we do application reviews,
Mhm.
and I think it's only fair that we do Exness since YouTube basically shows this ad so much.
Bro,
So
listen to me. Listen to me. The amount of Exness ads
yeah, it's
that comes
fucking
across my
overwhelming, bro.
feed on YouTube and TikTok as well as Instagram
Mhm.
is unnecessary.
Yeah.
It's unnecessary. Why am I whispering? It's unnecessary.
It's no point of us like actually showing that because I think we're all smart. We know more or less people. There is a hidden feature. Yeah, there is a hidden feature like so where people might not understand.
The IQ difference with a lot.
So we're gonna speed run through this application like how I did with Okta, and yeah, that's most of it. So let's open Exness.
Yes, also I used Exness during my early days of trading. I don't know much about it if you're gonna ask me.
But it's like if you know how to use HFM or let's naming the other brokers XM, you'll be able to use Exness.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It's just it has probably like better competition.
We
It has its
We
ups and
already had
downs.
like a rundown through the app. Like interface wise, I'd say Okta.
Okta is the best. HFM.
Then it would be
It's
HFM.
quite bland.
Yeah.
It's bland.
So I'd say Okta, HFM, this, and then XM.
Yeah.
XM's app. If you all used XM's app, like if you use XM's app, you will notice it's
Let
like
me-
using a
I'm
web
changing it to
browser.
dark mode.
It's like you're using a web browser.
There we go, that's clean. Okay. So let's start. So basically to make an account, you know you need all that KYC. You need your name, ID number, physical address, all that stuff to make an account. And then you can basically deposit money and stuff. You need to basically have KYC to have an account. So once you have all that stuff, this is how it would look. Basically the same as all the other platforms. You have profile, which is straightforward. We're not gonna explain this shit. You can see, so performance, you've been through this app. What is this all about? Well, I think it's your...
I don't think Kurz was listening to me when I said earlier on that I don't know much of this app.
My mistake, man. It went out this ear. okay. Let's go together.
Fucking Mike, if you didn't see last video.
Okay.
Bleep those swear words, sorry YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. I wanna see. Let's try to. So it has price alerts like all the other ones where you can set the price. I'm not gonna explain that too much, but if you can see it here, you set the price on a specific. Let's do BTC since BTC is pumping. So let's put the price alert if BTC goes to like 5. There we go. And then confirm. So it will alert me when. So that's straightforward price alerts. Everyone. That's why I said it's straightforward. Everyone's smart.
It's like when you use TradingView, basically. You know,
Yeah.
right? When you're placing a trade, you want your trade to come in at this price, blah 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 blah.
Blah blah. Yeah. So yeah, okay. Here's accounts. Accounts is on top. You have demo accounts, which if you're new, please do this. And like we explained so many times. Yeah. It's we are broken.
It should be common sense by now.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
we spoke about the IQ difference between certain people, but
Yeah, that's straightforward. Come on, guys. So we use demo before even depositing, and then accounts. I think we're gonna see. Yeah, okay. So if you want to make a new account, go to the plus. I'm basically figuring it out now, guys, as we go. Standard, Cent, Pro. Okay, so it depends. So you can see there's a minimum deposit on Pro. So if you basically gonna deposit 10, you need to use Standard, Cent, Pro spread 0, and so on and so on. So this is like related to all brokers.
I like the fact that the interface is so simple.
Yeah.
I don't mean it in a bad way. Like simple is best. And sometimes, and like there's a lot of other. Let's go back to XM.
Yeah.
Basically, their app is like I said, looks like a web browser, and like the interface is not so
Yeah,
nice. I don't enjoy that.
Enjoy it. I'll rather use
Yeah.
XM through MT5 just as the broker, not the interface.
I mean, I like this interface because you know it's user friendly. Basically, like as a new trader, you're looking for the right broker. Right? Maybe you get Exness. Now you go into Exness and poof, you have such a simple. It's not daunting. Let me say that.
Like
it's
I said,
not a daunting.
it's bland, but in the sense of bland, you'll get it quickly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Withdraw, like I said, with deposit, there's a lot of like BTC. Like I'm gonna refer back to crypto. There's a lot of ways. So you can add via Capitec, bank card, BTC, and so on and so on. You can read that for yourself. Withdraw, straightforward. Bank your account, get your money back. History, got that. Details, got that. Blah blah blah. Settings of the account. There we go. You can check all that stuff there.
Wrap that.
Trade up. Let's leave trade for last to make it trade markets. I feel like this is news. Yeah, it's like compared to any other.
It's just like HFM.
Yeah, all brokers has this tab. So to be fair, so performance. I think this is your account performance. Straightforward. There's nothing here. Profile and that's basically it. So So if we wanted to make a trade, there is the summary. You have your most traded, which is gold right now in BTC, Mr. D. GPUSD. I would have thought it's GP, JPY.
I think gold has been the most traded for a while now.
Yeah, and then we got top movers. Okay, this is some shares, I think. This is Netflix shares.
No,
This is going down today.
There's stocks there.
That's majors. We have metals, obviously, crypto, BTCs, the indices, so indices.
Indices.
I've heard that one, stocks and so on. So you can play around here.
Of course, Tesla is going up.
Yeah, okay, I haven't been to the way we place a trade on this, so that's
You guys haven't been paying attention. I think they put like Elon Musk in.
So this is the interface. I feel mixed about it. I feel this is my first. You have you change your chart there.
This brings back memories.
There's your line bar. Obviously we want candles. We do not want line. This is what this price is. Okay, close orders and blah blah blah. More like this is where you have to play around with your demo account. So you're not supposed to fuck up if you have your real money or whatever. And this is analyzing analytics of gold. Okay, it's a lot. It feels a little bit overwhelming because I don't know where to look, to be fair. But we have short term trading signals. Okay, then you go here. It takes you to article, I believe. Okay, yeah, comment. We have specifications. Okay, this is the contract size, more about when you open a trade. But I want to look at the lot sizes. Where do you open lot size? You see that, Mr. D? So here we have buy and sell.
There's
So
the 5 minute, there's the chart, blah blah.
I see. This is the 1 minute. And then we have this basically your candle, so you zoom in. But now if you wanted to open a buy, see the lot size at the bottom is 0.16. Just saying, because that's, I want to basically set it.
You adjust the lot size.
That's why I'm trying to look now, close,
Check out
pending.
making a.
I'm gonna start.
Is that when you make a trade?
Oh, yeah. So you can remove it. But then, see, this is where I'm a little bit confused. One click trading, don't show again, nope.
It's got one click trade.
Here we go. So basically, if you want to change your lot size, which should be important, you just click on the Node 16. You see, we don't want a Node 16. I just wanted to open a demo trade. So you click on it, and we open a minimum lot size, which is 0.1, and then we click a buy, and then it goes. And now I wanted to add a stop loss on this. So if we do that, see, this is where on Octa you just double tap on your thing, and you add a, which is the user interface is quite okay. Yeah, we have CTP stop loss. So we add a stop loss, drag it down. For example, we want to put it here. Here we want to put a TP a little bit higher. This is just demoing, guys.
I think I'd score this. Like,
Confirm. I don't like how it's done.
8.5. I actually like it.
This I don't like a little bit. See there, and there we go. But now I want to see the trade fully. So if I go back, yeah, I'm already down $2, bro.
Nah, you literally went for the ball. It's your fault, bro.
The gold is pumping. You cannot go against the bulls, man. Okay, so but now see, I'm feeling I'm struggling. I feel like I'm struggling to use the interface, guys. To be fair. So if I go back to
Why don't you go
performance.
So you can see where I was.
Okay, here's a trade, so there's a home. But see, okay, see, it just seems a little bit overwhelming, a little bit. See, then you have your price take profit, clear.
It's not overwhelming.
You have your close position, you have view on chart. Okay, so there we back in the chart.
Simple.
The interface, I feel.
The interface is quite simple to
mixed
use.
about it, Mr. D.
It's more like I'd give it an 8.5.
I feel mixed
It's
about
very
it.
nice. It's very nice.
So obviously, I feel like this trade is just I'm gonna lose $3 just like that now, bro. But let's see what the bulls can do.
Why'd you move your TP?
Because I see much too much TV down my support.
Oh shit.
My demand, I mean.
Nigga is feeling FOMO.
This is demoing, guys. So please keep in mind we're not supposed to do this. But yeah, I think that's the
He's feeling
platform.
FOMO.
That's the platform. That's basically we're down $1, but it's fine. It's a demonstration purposes. So yeah.
Sure.
But that's basically Exness.
Yeah. There's obviously a lot more to do with Exness. We just did a quick rundown, a quick scope on the app. And if you wanted to do a proper breakdown of the app, just speak in comments.
Which I don't think we need to, because you can literally play around yourself, and after a while, using it for you can get it.
Yes,
you can get
but you're lazy, aren't you? Yes.
But yeah, I think that's supposed to be. Oh, we are losing money, but we're gaining money. Exness. Let's wrap it up, guys. Oh yeah, because since we're losing money, make sure to use the affiliate link, guys. Come on. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. Make sure to like, subscribe. This is the Sunday video. I hope you enjoyed this one.
It's mixed emotions.
It's mixed emotions.
I wouldn't say this is like a banger.
But yeah, man, we'll spot you in another one, guys.
Yeah, peace out.
In and out. Get it stopped there.
You gotta stop the recording.
I gotta